Hi, Joe here, and I just wanted to give you a backstage tour of the community. Maybe you have been considering joining the community and just want a little bit of information about how it works, what's available, or maybe you're already a member of the community and you just want to see a tour of how to use the site and maybe see if there's some features that you didn't even know existed. So here we go. What you can see here is the VIP area. So if you have a VIP membership, this is where you can sign into your exclusive 1-hour class. It's where you can see the monthly workshops and how to book into them, because you get a free access to the monthly workshops. And it's also how you book your coaching call. Then underneath here, we have the members area. So let's say that you are wanting to join one of the live streamed classes. What you would do is you would go down and you would click live streamed classes. Here you see the timetable of live streamed classes. So we have 6 a week. We have all levels, beginners, pregnancy and restorative. And if you turn up to this page just 5 minutes or so before the class, get everything ready, get your yoga mat out. You can screencast this screen over to your telly, so you can watch it on the telly. And then this video just simply comes to life, and it will have your live stream embedded straight into this video. So you don't need to go anywhere else. You just can watch it straight here. And then I change out that video, so the process is exactly the same every time. You don't have to go looking for the live stream videos. They are always there under the live stream classes. Say you missed a live stream video and you really wanted to watch it, but you missed it. What you can do is you can go down to latest videos, and we have the 3 most recent live streamed videos here that you can watch as a recording. So once a video has been live streamed, it's available for you to watch whenever you like. So let's say that you have come to the site and you don't want to watch the live stream videos. It's nowhere near the time for live stream videos, but say you are just fancying some yoga at a different time. What you can do is you can go to Yoga Class Finder, and here we have a filter. So you can decide whether you want to watch a video that's 15 minutes or under, 30 minutes or under, over 30 minutes, or maybe you're not that bothered about how long it is. And then you can decide if you want the yoga that you do to be gentle, dynamic, suitable for pregnancy, suitable for postnatal. So maybe you are in the postnatal period and you would like a specific postnatal class, or maybe you're just not that bothered and you're happy to do any. And then you might want to focus. So maybe you want to focus on your hips and legs, shoulder and neck, relaxation, core and strengthening, or maybe you just fancy an all over stretch. So let me give you an example of how this might work. Say you are, you've just had a baby and you fancy a postnatal class. So we're going to go for 15 minutes and under. We want postnatal yoga, and we want the focus to be on core and strengthening. Let's see. So here we have the videos that fit those requirements. So it would be the no plank sit-up core blaster. Let's have a look. And you would just click on it and the video is here for you to start. Then say you are a runner. So maybe you're not postnatal, maybe you're a runner and you want a video that's going to give you a stretch out after you've gone for a run. So again, 15 minutes and under, we want to go for some dynamic yoga and we want to focus on our hips and legs. Let's have a look. Post-run day walk and stretch. There you go. Or maybe you just want to have a little look through all of the live streamed classes. So the live stream classes are all 30 minutes and over. So you're not that bothered about the style. You're not that bothered about the focus. and you can press search here. And the date of when they were live streamed is in the description. And the latest live stream class is always at the bottom. So you can see how many videos that we have to choose from. So that was yesterday's class. And all of these classes that you can choose from. Ooh, we have over 70 classes for you to choose from. So there is a lot of classes on the site. So if I go home here we have the upcoming socials and workshops. So in here, I'm not going to click on it because it has Zoom links and passwords, and I don't want that needs to be behind closed doors. But what you have in here is the links to the coffee morning. So every Friday, we have a Zoom coffee morning at 11 a.m. where you can drop in, say hello, have a cup of coffee. We have our book club. So once a month we read a book, we meet up on Zoom, have a little chat about it. And we also have the monthly workshops as well. So if you are a community member, you get a discount on the monthly workshops. If you're interested in philosophy, you might want to do the 8 Limbs of Yoga course. So if you click on this, here's the 8 Limbs of Yoga course, which is just some videos for you to do in your own time. So you can just work your way through that, and that's some videos about the philosophy of yoga. And then we have the beginners 6-week meditation course here. You just simply click on that. And then you have you can click on week 1, week 2, and that's teaches you how to meditate. And then maybe you fancy just doing some one-off meditations. If you click on here we have the meditations that you can do. So up here in my account, you have all of the ways that you can change your password, change your personal details, change your profile. You might want to order something. You might want to change your credit card details, or you might want to manage your subscription. So if you're wanting to upgrade or downgrade, that's there in manage subscriptions. And one of the nice things about the community is that not only is there a Facebook group that you can join where you can have access to ask questions from everybody, but you can actually contact me. I'm a real person. I'm at the other end of the computer, and I will answer any questions, yoga related or site related. I'm always there to help because I want you to get the most out of this community. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything I've just said, please let me know. And hopefully I will see you in the community soon. Bye.